Okay. I saw that guy in all black right here. But I can't see. I just saw clothes.
Oh, that's bald too.
Yeah. Oh, he's got tattoos all over his face, bro.
Hey, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. Don't move.
X46, we're code 6 on the suspect. Give me a backup, 415 man with a gun. We're right in front of Nate's Cafe.
Reach for that gun.
Lift up your hands. Hands in the air.
Hands in the
All the way up. All the way up.
Brother.
All the way up.
Hey, can you leave me alone, dog? I'm on probation.
Hey, don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't reach for it! Okay, we gotta go less lethal. Okay. Go!
Hey. He's got a gun, he's got a gun.
He's got a gun, guys!
Oh, shit. Hey, drop it, yo! Hey! Fuck, man. Hey! Drop it! Hey! Drop it now! Drop it! I'm gonna shoot you! Drop it! Drop it now! Way 5, he's northbound Northgate, 83. Hey, get on the ground now! Get on the ground now, drop it! Drop it now! Drop it now!
Air Force One.
Drop it now, I'm gonna shoot you!
I'm doing this thing.
It's alright! It's alright, drop it now!
Let's go, sir.
Drop it now, it's okay! I'm gonna help you, hey!
Leave me alone. Let's see it.
It's not a big deal, nothing happened, hey! Nothing happened, you're not in trouble! You're not in trouble, okay, drop it, okay, drop it! Drop it or you're not in trouble right now! I don't wanna hurt you! Don't be stupid! Don't be stupid! Drop it now, bro, come on, hey! I'm gonna take care of you, bro, trust me! Trust me, bro! Trust me, bro, hey! I'm gonna take care of you, bro!
Why you guys doing this to me?
Hey, you're fine. Hey, let me help you. Let me help you. Drop it now. Shots fired. Officer needs help.
Air Force One.
Get down. Hey, drop it. Get on the ground now. Drop it.
Air Force One.
Drop it now. I'm gonna shoot you. Drop it.
Drop the gun or I'm gonna shoot you.
It's alright. Drop it now.
Watch crossfire. Crossfire.
I'm gonna help you. Hey,
Up.
it's not a big deal. Nothing happened. Hey, nothing happened. You're not in trouble. You're not in trouble. Okay, drop it. Drop it.
Drop the gun.
You're not in trouble right now. I don't want to hurt you. Don't be stupid. Don't be stupid. Drop it now, bro. Come on. Hey, I want to take care of you, bro.
Hey, drop it. Drop it or I'm gonna shoot you.
Drop me, bro. Hey, I'm going to take care of you, bro.
Why you guys doing this to me?
Hey, bro, come on. Hey, let me help you. Let me help you. Drop me now.
Northeast, Tango, shots fired,
Get a sucker. Get a sucker. Get a sucker.
I got it.
Get out of here.
I got it.
Get out of here. I'll take care of you, bro.
Why you guys doing this to me?
Hey, you're fine. Hey, let me help you. Drop it now. Shots fired. Officer needs help.
Air Force One. Shots fired,
Get a sucker. Get a sucker.
I got it.
Get out of here.
I got it.
Get out of here. Show me the gun, I'm gonna get him up. Get up, man, get up. Get up. You okay?
Yeah.
You were shot or anything?
No, bro.
Area units down to 11. All units officer needs help. Northgate and Topanga on East Health Northgate and Topanga shots fired. Any area in command on Topanga Freedom.